Good morning, class. Today we are going to read a poem from Honeysuckle book, and the name of the poem is The Quarrel, written by Eleanor Farzion. Eleanor Farzion was born on 1881 and she passed away on 1965. She was an English author of children's stories and plays, poetry, biography, history, and satire. She wrote books like The Little Book Room in 1955, Jim at the Corner in 1934. So this is all about the poet. Basically, it is very common for brothers and sisters to quarrel. And usually they don't know what is the reason behind the quarrel. So here in this poem, the poet is telling about the relationship between the siblings. Siblings means brothers and sisters. And they used to fight with each other on very small matters, on very petty things. But during difficult times, they are inseparable. So now let us read the poem. The Quarrel. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Now let us see the first stanza. I quarreled with my brother. Here I means the poet. Who is the poet? Eleanor Farzion. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. So here, in the first stanza, the poet quarreled with his brother on very small matter. And he even doesn't know the reason of the quarrel. And one thing led to another, and again it ends in quarrel. The quarrel at first was very mild. That means it started with a very small matter. But with the passage of time, it became strong or big in the end. He said that he was right, and I means the poet. Poet was sure of his being wrong. So in the first stanza, the poet is telling that he had a fight with his brother. That too on a very small matter. And even they don't know what is the reason behind the quarrel. And at first the quarrel was very mild, but later it became a big one. He used to say that he was right, and the poet used to think that poet himself is or herself is right. Now let us move on to the second stanza. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. So now the quarrel became big in the end, because we had read that in the first stanza that it started with a mild one. But later the quarrel became a big one. So now they began to hate each other. And the afternoon became very tense and became very unpleasant for both of them. That means for the brother and the poet. They even did not talk till evening. And it passed in a very bitter mood. Then what happened? All of a sudden, the poet's brother hit him strongly or patted him on his back. And he said that two of them could not go along like this for a longer period of time. and it would be difficult to pass the night in this way. And he also admitted that it was his mistake. Just then, the poet felt that his brother was right, but in fact, he himself was wrong. So, this is all about the poem. The poet tells that there is a quarrel between the poet and his brother, and they used to fight on very small things. Even they do not know the reason behind the quarrel. And at first, the quarrel used to be very mild, but later it became a big one. And everything went in a bitter mood. But later, they again came and he used to say that I was wrong and he was right. Okay, so we all have opinions, and when we meet someone or live with a sibling or with a parent who has a different views to their, who have their own views, at that time we used to quarrel. So we used to live with our siblings, we used to live with our parents, and all have their opinion, different type of opinion, and at that time only we used to quarrel. So what is the message in the poem? The message is, the poem gives us that or tells us that relationship is more important than everything. Okay, so this is all about the poem. Thank you.